Today we are going to talk about LCM. LCM is the lowest common multiple. You get it by making a list of the multiples of any group of numbers. Let's take 6 and 24. So you write out 6 and 24, one above the other, and write out the multiples. So we have 6, so we go 6, 12, 18, 24. Then we look at 24. We write 24 and we have a common multiple. Are there any multiples that are smaller? No. So we have the lowest common multiple. Let's talk about some mistakes. One is that people do not write the numbers out in order. This is a big downfall because they will not go in order and you'll not find the LCM. Another is that you can get the numbers wrong at one of the first numbers and all the rest are wrong. You can make sure to write the numbers in order to avoid these mistakes. You can also count on your fingers or on a calculator. Let's do a word problem. Zach is experimenting on spiders and ants. They recorded that there are 8 legs on a spider and 6 legs on an ant. However, there are the same amount of legs in each group. How many spiders and ants can there be in each group? So there are 8 legs on a spider and 6 legs on an ant. Let's go 8, 16, 24. And we go 6, 12, 18, and 24. So we have our common multiple, but we don't want to know how many legs there are. We want to know how many spiders there are. So there are 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 spiders. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 ants. Football team practices every 9 days. A soccer team practices every 12 days. If they are both practicing now, how long until they will both practice again? So there are 9 and 12. 9, 18, 27, and 36. You go 12, 24, 36. So it will be 36 days. Band practices every 4 days. Theater club practices in the same spot every 3 days. If they're both practicing today, how many days from now will they meet next? We go 4, 8, 12, then we go 3, 6, 9, and 12. So it'll be 12 days. 2 friends are at work in a cafe. One works every 7 days, and the other works every 14 days. How many days until they meet again? So there'll be 7 and 14. Then there's 14. So it'll be 14 days. Max saves $12 a day from selling lemonade. However, Sammy saves $9 a day. Today they both save the same amount of money. What is the least number of days until they both save the same amount again? So we have 12, 24, and 36. Then we have 9, 18, 27, and 36. So it'll be 36 days. Kyle's Sweet Store sells cupcakes and